Hey, how's it going, guys? Darth Vader Halloween here, and today what I'm going to be unboxing is the Seasonal Visions 2022 animated Looming Phantom. Now, I saw this guy at Sam's Club this year. He was sold at Sam's Club this year. He was also sold at Sam's Club last year. But yeah, I saw this guy on display and just thought he looked really cool. I actually got this guy for my birthday. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing process. Yeah. Let's get all this tape off here. Come on. Okay. All right. Let me bring the camera in over here a little bit so you can see what is all in the box when you get it. So here is one of its hands. Go ahead and set that off to the side here. Back it up a little bit. So yeah, there's one of its hands. Here is, here's the module. Set that off here. Here's the lantern and the hand that holds the lantern. Here is gel packet right here. Front moisture. Here's costume. There's cloak. And then let's see. How am I gonna get this up? Holes here. Adapter. And his instructions. Everybody loves instructions. Got one of his arms. Another one of his arms. Pull this out here. Okay, set the box off to the side here. And here we've got the turning mechanism. Here. And then here we've got the head with the frame here, and then this is where if you want to just hang the prop, then you can do that by using this string here. Yeah, that's cool. Then we've got the base here. This is a pretty big base. And one thing is the hip ring. So yeah, that is all the parts for the Looming Phantom. Go ahead and get all this stuff together, and then I'm going to go ahead and set them up. And yeah. Okay, guys, that was the entire setup process for the Looming Reaper, or this Looming Phantom. Definitely not exactly self-explanatory, although I feel that it's worth it. I think this prop looks just absolutely awesome. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and plug him in, and I'm going to go ahead and activate him for you guys. So you guys can see what he does. Yeah.
At last you are here.
Oh, this guy's loud.
Come closer. I will escort you into the shadows of the night.
I gotta turn this guy's volume down. Holy crap. Man, this guy is so loud.
I see that you finally found me. Hopefully you realize that your destiny awaits you. Let me show you the way.
Wow. Holy cow.
Greetings. I have drawn you to this spot so I can guide you into the unknown.
This guy's so cool.
Get ready for some fun. At last you are here. Come closer. I will escort you into the shadows of the night. I see that you finally found me. Hopefully you realize that your destiny awaits you. Let me show you the way.
So yeah, that is the 6-foot tall animated Looming Phantom made by Seasonal Visions. This is currently being sold at Sam's Club this year. He is being sold for $120, which I think is a really good price for this guy. But yeah, bottom line is this prop is awesome. I love it. If you ever get the chance to go get him at Sam's Club, get it while you still can, because I don't know if they're going to bring him back next year. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and activate him one more time, and I'm going to end the video right here.
I see that you finally found me. Hopefully you realize that your destiny awaits you. Let me show you the way.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.
Greetings. I have drawn you to this spot so I can guide you into the unknown beyond. Get ready for some fun.